Hi, it's Brad Botkin here again with another cadet tutorial. Today we're going to actually caption a video, a piece of a video, and you're going to see how to manipulate caption inside of the cadet application. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the media clip that I'm using, Open Media, and I've put it on my desktop, so I'll go down here, and it's called Genome. I'm going to use the control space bar to start and stop the video, and I'll stop it when I've heard a chunk, and I'm going to transcribe that.
The genome is a storybook that's been edited for a couple billion years.
Now I'm going to press a double return in order to get to the next row. You can see it's got it starting in the second row. So that was a chunk. I decided that would be enough for a caption, and I'm going to continue. So I've got this transcribed into Cadet, but there are no time codes yet. And so I'm going to go back and time these captions. So you'll see under Events, search start time. There it is, way down at the bottom. So I can insert a start time and I can insert an end time. I'm going to press play, and the insert in time is the control less than sign, or the control comma. And as I hear each bit that I've transcribed, I'm going to press the insert in time, and it's going to jam the in time right into the start column. So I'm going to go back to the beginning, and I'm going to go over here. I'm going to press play, and then I'm just going to start timing it out.
The genome is a storybook that's been edited for a couple billion years. And you couldn't take it to bed like 1001 Arabian Nights and read a different story in the genome every night.
But how do you read what's inside or T&A for short? This is, step by step, a code, 3 billion steps long, the formula for a human being.
So you can see that I just listened to the audio as the caption blob was spoken. I hit the insert in time, and it jammed that in time right into the start column. And you can see that the captions are showing. So if I go back and play this now, let's go back to the beginning. I'm going to play. You see that captions are going to show up synchronized to the video.
The genome is a storybook that's been edited for a couple billion years. And you couldn't take it to bed like 1001 Arabian Nights and read a different story in the genome every night.
I'm going to go back. I don't really like having the captions spread all the way in a single line across the video. So really, for ease of reading, it's much better for captions to be broken up into nice bite-sized chunks. So I'm going to go back in here and do a little editing. I'm going to say, let's make this into a 2-line caption right there. And let's do the same right here. And there we have it. Let's go back and see how that looks when we play it back. I'm going to play.
The genome is a storybook that's been edited for a couple billion years. And you couldn't take it to bed like 1001 Arabian Nights and read a different story in the genome every night.
Great. So you've seen how easy it is to caption a media clip. Now I could go and export this. Let's just pick SRT, because let's say I'm gonna upload it to Facebook or YouTube or something like that. And so I'm going to export something, and it's going to automatically name it the same base name as the as the media clip. So this is genome.srt, and it's also going to put it on the desktop. And I'm going to save it, and it was a success, and I'm done. So that's it. That's how to create a caption file. Thanks for listening.